Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV, you feel me? I had to clear my throat, my bad, y'all just gotta excuse me. But anyway, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? And comment down below, let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see on my channel, you know what I'm saying, car related, or, you know what I'm saying, something different. If y'all rocking with me, you know, just, I post pretty much anything, but car stuff is my thing right now, you feel me? So that's what I'm doing. But Cari crew, today, man, as you can tell by the title, man, I will be teaching y'all how to use the paddle shifters, you know what I'm saying? In the rain, by the way, if y'all can't tell. It is raining. That's why my window's up, you know what I'm saying? But y'all can see, it is raining, you feel me? But yeah, man, if I keep looking at my watch, somebody had said that before in one of my videos, I look at it because I'm looking at the view of the camera for y'all, you know what I'm saying, to make sure that y'all can see properly. So that just clear the air with that. But yeah, man, anyway, like I said, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Get this video to 100 likes, you feel me? Get the video to 100 likes, but yeah, man, we're gonna get straight into it. But right now I'm driving in auto, you know what I'm saying, eco mode. I'm put it in custom, you know, nothing too crazy. Put it in custom mode. Right now I'm in drive, obviously, and once you hit any one of these, hopefully y'all can see these, man. I think y'all can, but I'll turn the light on right now to give y'all a little better quality. But that's the radar, by the way. Folks be talking about, folks be asking about that. It's a radar that made that noise. But anyway, y'all see the paddle shifter right here, you know what I'm saying? Where my fingers at. Right here where my fingers at. If you hit it, you know what I'm saying, then you say manual mode engage. You know, everybody know how it go. And now I'm in 4th gear, where it say right here, you feel me? And then holds it for a little while. Come on, cuz, what you doing? Like, that gotta be the dumbest thing ever. It's raining. Like, come on, bro. You see me, like, going 40. And you don't want to take your happy ass out there. That just blows me, Cari. I ain't gonna even lie. You look at a little what I do, man. That just blows my mood. Well, anyway, man. Now we done with dumbass. Yeah, you hit it. You know what I'm saying? They tell you that it's engaged. I downshift the numbers right here. Obviously, y'all know I know how to use it. I use them in every video. Literally, every video. So, if it haven't been that one video I posted with me not using the paddle shifter at least once. But yeah, you see how I'm holding it? Press it, you know what I'm saying? If you're a real car guy or car girl, whatever, whoever watching the video, you'll know when to shift, you know what I'm saying? I go off of the sound. Sometimes I like to drag them longer, sometimes I like to shift them quicker. It just depends on what I'm doing. But if I'm cruising, I'll just be playing around. But, you know what I'm saying, you press the right one, obviously to go up, left one to downshift. But, and then if you want to get out of it, and go back to automatic, just hold the right one for like, I don't know how long, maybe like a second or two, but just hold it until you see the gear just drop down. And now I'm back in drive, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta do nothing. It'll shift on its own, everything like that, you know what I'm saying? And also you can use the paddle shifters 100%, you know what I'm saying? Completely, and it won't change the gear at all, you know what I'm saying, Cari crew? And we're using this, the gear shifter right here. Hopefully y'all can see it. Let me see, yeah, my bad. But the gear shifter right here, you know what I'm saying? So you slap that mud, like that. And now it's fully, when it had an M right there, it's fully manual. So it don't matter what I do, like, let me get in the lower gears here. Like, it's not gonna shift, look. Until I do it. You know what I'm saying? But y'all heard Olivia, by the way, with the windows up. You know, it's the first POV with the windows up, Cari crew. I might get y'all a little noise, cause it's misty, but you know what I'm saying? It ain't too bad. But yeah, Cari crew, and when it's a full manual mode, you can shift it here. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, to do it, something like that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty simple, if you ask me, but everybody, you know, it's different depending on what kind of person you are. But yeah, man, if you want to go full manual mode, like a stick shift, you one of those type of guys, you know what I'm saying? Just put it in manual, they're gonna hold the gear, like literally, they'll hold this for as long as the car is on and my foot on the gas. But, you know what I'm saying, you upshift. You know what I'm saying, you want to cruise. And see, if you hold this one, it's not going to go back to drive. It's going to go to 8th gear. And 8th gear is just the highest gear and the slowest gear. If you like under 100 or under 120. You know what I'm saying? But slap it back and drive if you want to do that. And then now, you know, it's in regular drive now, but now it'll shift on its own. I ain't show y'all that. I'm going to try to do a slow pull. I don't be trying to, I don't want to go too crazy right here. I'm going to show y'all, look. That's why I lift my hands up so y'all can see. Hopefully y'all saw that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it'll shift on its own in red line. That's kind of cool on road races in a way, but then sometimes with these computers, bro, when you're racing, like, I done did it plenty of times before, like doing a pull. I don't race, but like if I do a pull, you know what I'm saying? Like, when they're red line sometimes, if you let it shift on its own, it'll have like a pause, the computer, like it'll red line and it'll choke a little bit, then it'll shift again. But you'll lose every time. Y'all better learn your sweet spot for your car, your Scat, your Cat, your RT. I know mine that when it like the upshift, when it's like, you know what I'm saying, it just keep in the power band. You gotta catch it though, but everybody gotta learn it. I would say that all cars the same, but with Scats, it kinda is, it kinda not, you know what I'm saying? Everybody numbers dialed in a little different. Everything ain't completely the same, cause if it was, you wouldn't have one car faster than the other. But if you put a good driver in both of them or not, you know what I'm saying? It was exactly the same, no matter what you did. You'll eventually, you know what I'm saying, be even. But anyway, you're a car crew, but use a paddle shift. Like right now I'm in drive, I want to use it, you know what I'm saying? Just tap any one, right or left, it'll pop up. Whatever the highest gear you was in or what cruise gear you was in, you know what I'm saying? I'm a downshift now, you know what I'm saying? And downshift to help you slow down too, by the way. A lot of y'all didn't know that. Like my foot is not on the brake at all. Until now, like right now my foot on the brake. And I only had to use it just for this little bit. You know what I'm saying? And we also do that a lot in the city, man, 'cause that traffic in the city is crazy. Folks be hitting the brakes for no reason. You just be cruising, listening to William Shakespeare. And then somebody just slam on the brake, bro, and just kill your piece, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew. That's pretty much how y'all use these paddle shit. I forgot I can go on this light. It just gotta be clear. But are y'all gonna go? Like, come on, man. Cause the turning lane gotta yield. They yield for a reason. Cause yeah, let me go. Appreciate it. But yeah, man. Paddle shift is activated. Well, Olivia pops like crazy, y'all. Y'all just don't hear it. And I seen somebody comment too, man. I be reading all the comments, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Well, I read, most of all the comments, by the way. The ones that like telling me, you know what I'm saying, talking about the video or saying whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't read the other stuff y'all be posting. But anyway, yeah, man, so, you know what I'm saying? My bad, I had to yawn. But yeah, man, you know, I be reading most of the comments, man, majority of them, and I seen what somebody had said about getting like the sound, like the GoPro, you know what I'm saying? Get a GoPro and put on the outside. Funny thing is, I have a GoPro, I just don't have the suction cup thing. And that GoPro is kind of like, it's an old GoPro, it's a gift, you know what I'm saying? But it worked. It just like, when I connect it to the app, it won't let me download the videos to my phone, you know what I'm saying? So I can put it in the video. And the only way I can get it is off the SD card, and then I gotta get the little, you know what I'm saying? The little adapter for the computer to put it, for the SD card to put in it, you know what I'm saying? To transfer it and all that. I try to do USB and it won't connect to the computer USB, you know what I'm saying? Unless somebody can tell me a secret. But it's like an older GoPro, bro, like a Hero 1 or 2, 3. It ain't one no new one, like, bro, like the older one, you know what I'm saying? Not the oldest, but it's like the older one, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, but I want to do that. It's just, I want to show y'all Olivia spinning the flame, man, cause I believe she can do it. I think she already has. Every car that I have had as catless have shot a flame before. I've seen it, heard it, or somebody saw it while I did it, you know what I'm saying? They told me. My RT did it. If a RT can do it, I know this can do it. And I got the same exact setup as my RT, bro. Except my RT just had aftermarket resonators and not Dodge resonators. But yeah, man. Again, with the paddle scissors, you know, like right now, you shifting when you're ready. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bro, it's crazy, cause I never really been doing this in Olivia, bro, with the windows up. And like, just continue to do it. Like, I ain't rolled the window down yet. And it's crazy, cause I can hear her, but it's like, you don't hear the extraness of it. It just sound clean, cause it sound like something blocking it. Cause you obviously, you know, we in the car. And you only can hear from the inside. I can hear the echo still, watch. It's so peaceful though, man. It feels so good outside car crew. It's a little cold, but the wind in the car feels great. Cause I don't got no air on or nothing. Yeah, man. Get y'all a little sound, you know what I'm saying? A little pull here and there. But this video, you know what I'm saying, basically was about that, you know what I'm saying? Showing y'all how to use a paddle shifter, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much simple, you feel me? But I just wanted to do that. I did this video before, actually like a year ago. Let me get right. Cutting up in the rain, man. Safely, you know what I'm saying? I already know what's going on. But good thing is I got tired this time though. I got way better tread than in the past, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really been doing too much lately. I've been chilling, man. You gotta love a pull, man. You gotta love a pull. Look at them puddles. Can't do it, boy. Y'all see puddles and y'all in the scat, man, just go to the, if ain't nobody in the other lane, bro, just get over. I'm telling you now. Save yourself a whole lot of trouble. Whether you think you can make it or not. I don't care what kind of tires you got, but you can have the Michelin man himself up under your car. Don't do it, boy. Oh, you bad, huh? But on trees is crazy. Ain't nothing like hearing the exhaust off the tree, bro. You know what I'm saying? The city though, it sounds amazing, immaculate, but I gotta hear it again, cause I ain't really pay attention. Oh. Good Lord. Oh my Lord. Give me another one. Oh my Lord. Let me get another one. Oh my Lord. This is custom mode, by the way. Let me get another one. That's crazy. Spinning ain't winning, but it's fun when I'm inning. I don't know what I just said, bro. But hey, man. That's gonna be a wrap pretty much for this video, man. I want to give y'all something short and sweet, straight to the point, but showing y'all how to use these paddle shifters. I did this video before, actually. I think I did it in the rain. Again. It's somewhere, but I named it like how to stop fishtailing in the rain, but I don't think it was the same thing. But anyway, car crew, man, this is how you use, you know what I'm saying, the paddle shifters. You feel me? Like I said, you press it to activate it, pop up. You know what I'm saying? You want to manually do it 100% in control and you control all the shifts. You do it right here and leave it right there, you know what I'm saying? Use it either way. And you slap it back over, and then, you know, if it's like this, and drive without the M showing, without the M right there, when it red line, it'll shift, you know what I'm saying? That pretty much sums it up. But, man, like I say, car crew, and all the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, and a kind of accolade, and kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. These people will not go. And like I say, for all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Build a good relationship with him, trust him. You know what I'm saying? Have faith, man, and gain wisdom, you know what I'm saying? Just gain a lot of wisdom, man. You can learn a lot, man. You know what I'm saying? Just talk to him and pray to him, you feel me? And ask him for guidance. You know what I'm saying? That's all my religious folk. And like I said in all the end of my videos, man, I might get y'all a pull. Hold on. I think Olivia want to get y'all a pull, man. Look at that crime. Look at that Mercury. That Mercury trying to try me. He must got a 5.0 motor in it, nigga. You lucky it raining, bro. Look at him. You ain't talking about nothing. You ain't talking about nothing. yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a slight little pull. Oh, my Lord. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a slight little pull, man, from Olivia. But like I said, at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.